How to Delete Snapchat Account 72 Hours Problem, Full Guide 2025. Hey, everyone. Welcome back. If you're facing the infamous Snapchat 72 hours account deletion problem, don't worry. I've got you covered. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to delete your Snapchat account successfully. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, tap the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. Scroll down until you find the option Manage My Account. Tap on it and select Delete Account. Snapchat will ask you to sign in again to confirm it's really you. Once you're signed in, Snapchat will direct you to the account deletion page. Follow the instructions and tap Continue. Snapchat will then give you a 72-hour waiting period before the account is permanently deleted. But here's the issue. Many people report that after 72 hours, their account is still not deleted. Let me explain why this happens and how to fix it. Go to Settings, scroll down to Clear Cache, and tap it. This often fixes bugs related to account deletion. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try deleting your account through Snapchat's website. Visit accounts.snapchat.com, sign in, and select Delete My Account. This method often bypasses the app glitches. If all else fails, reach out to Snapchat support. Go to support.snapchat.com, describe your problem, and they usually get back within a few days. And that's it. I hope this guide helps you successfully delete your Snapchat account and solve the 72-hour problem. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.